All right, fix the old fix the old tire. Pull the roofing nail out, which I did. I don't know where I put it, actually. I probably should have thrown it away. You make a clean, raspy hole here. So we'll do that a bunch. Feed this little worm through here, like that. And now we're going to stick that into here. Push it all the way in until it only has about a 1/2 inch remaining, which is about that. And then you pull that out, and now all you do is trim it and you're done. Don't buy the $5 tool at the Chevron station. It doesn't work. You'll bend it, which is what this is. Piece of junk.